Alright. Okay. So, 10v10 Nico Krod against I am Islamic Muslim League or something. European flag. And we're going to be central. So first of all, get attack first. We dig this little hill over here. Or we dig inside here. So this is the between thing. Got the first hill that we found, right? Which is going to give us massive protection. So, you have this group of hills, which is going to give the enemy protection. If they're any good, they're going to place trenches all over this place. There's already good trench. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna dig a little here, whatever. Then we're going to be building, digging over here, here, and here. It's gonna be here. Place some. Yeah, those are the enough spaces. Let's see where it goes. This one is more versed than the big one, but the risk is well worth it because you have like entire Filipino, and one of the most OP spots is over here. We dig this tree out, dig off this tree. Place for twigs so we can expand. This spot gives you coverage of the entire enemy spawn. Well, except for whatever's behind that tree. So like, you can hit everyone in this bush area. You can see everyone who are about to spawn. The only problem is if they manage to cross through the road, this farmland. But that isn't going to be a problem because of our people. I can post it here. Just go over to here, start digging. Dig a little trench here. A little trench here. Start. We're going to be. Yeah, we'll be trenches there. We'll also be utilizing this part because it's insanely good. Like, there's not only is there cover, make it, there's also concealment, which makes it harder for them to see you. Like, it's the one engineer. You have at least one engineer. You have at least one engineer. Immediately build a ladder right at the top, so people can expose this. Grab it out this way. To go to the roof, you have two ways to you got the ladder, which engineer do. You can do the traditional wall hopping method, or you go through here. Do you see this ramp? This ramp is very OP. So equip your weapon, sprint and jump towards this thing. Sprint and jump towards this thing. You got this. Got overside over here, here. Pretty much the entire. The only problem you're gonna face is like people who go find this house, which is why it would be important. Someone posted around here. version of it with some cover so that you can pick out people. And here's upwards for the home side. What is your light? The ladder. Okay. You make a ladder. Immediately put place walls, sandbag walls on the sides. You want to those guys to square here, but I doubt they know about it. They know about it. This 3. Actually go 6 yeah. We're going to be placing 8 AP up here. There. Place it properly. Like that. So the main use of this is suppress. Because their heads are just suppress. If someone spots people over there, it's not really ideal to have someone stay there. So, great. Defense mode. Bro. Here, defense mode. You're going to be pushing. Be doing some silly stuff. You're going to be making upward road. No, ladder first. Then the sandbag walls. And this thing. And in offensive half mode, you're going to be pushing through there where the pigs are mostly. You can also push far left and right, but it takes too long. And finally in the objective, you dig in those spots, especially behind this tree, because we need cover here. So I'm gonna be drawing something in. Right, it's 12 minutes. Hopefully.